name is Rebecca, never Becky, and today I'm going to be creating this lilac mint look from where? Huda Beauty, guys. That's right. I finally got my hands on these two wonderful palettes. I have been dying, and I'm so late on these palettes because I honestly was a little intimidated by them, but clearly not anymore. So let's just go ahead and get into this video. So I want to go ahead and jump in with you guys. I already added my foundation. I'm going to show you guys. I use my NARS Natural Radiance. I love this. Like, I really am loving this foundation. So I want to go ahead and finish out my face. I did prime my eyes, guys. So if you notice it's a little white, it's because I already went ahead and primed my eyes for this look. I just haven't did all of the details that I would normally do. So we're going to go ahead and jump into contouring with my Juvia's Place. I love, love, love Juvia's Place. I like the consistency of this foundation stick. I use it as a contour, but it's actually a foundation stick that I'm using to contour my face. But this color just works so well. It does play for 2 for 1. It's a contour stick and it is a foundation. It actually says it, so you guys can use it however you want or what you need it for. I'm gonna go ahead and contour my nose, and I'm gonna be very light-handed on the line. Last time I went a little harsh than I liked, but I'm gonna go ahead and do the same on this side. You guys, it's been so hot out here in San Diego. I honestly don't even know how I'm even filming. If you guys see some like leaves moving in the background, it's because I have my fan going. Hopefully you guys can't hear that, but it's so hot I had to turn on my fan and start this tutorial with you guys, but it's so hot. I'm gonna go ahead and do it on the perimeters of my face. You guys see I have enough product on this brush. I don't even need to go back in and do anything else but just line this face. I'm going to then go ahead and take the same brush and start kind of blending it out, kind of get the process started for myself. And then I'm gonna go ahead and take it to the jaw, as you guys can see. Just using whatever that's left on my brush. I'm not gonna make this look harsh. It's gonna be a very subtle look, and I really like this palette, this Huda Beauty palette. I've been wanting to get my hands on it for so long that I'm thrilled that it's here finally. So I wanted to jump on it like immediately. And I know that I'm very late on this palette, but I don't care, guys. It's so gorgeous. If you guys haven't yourselves purchased this, I recommend it. I can just tell by looking at these colors, this is gonna be such a successful look. If you guys can see that, it's gonna be so beautiful. I'm gonna show you guys the mint. I really, really, really loved the mint. I feel like I just grabbed the lilac because I feel like it complements each other, but I am totally obsessed with these. And guys, I don't know what I'm gonna do. I don't have a plan. I just know I wanna use it. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna definitely use these colors, but I'm telling you guys the truth. I don't have a plan of what I'm gonna do first or how this look is gonna turn out. I just know that it's gonna be great because the colors are like amazing. So we're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna just blend out my contour or on the perimeters of my face. You guys do see that I have my headband on because, you know, it's so hot. Even my edge control is like getting disrespected at this point. It's doing nothing. And also, guys, I did get dressed already a little bit here because I just felt like I wanted to really give you guys this look. Like, I really want to serve you guys a really nice look here. So I just went ahead and went forward with, you know, getting dressed. I like to wait sometimes to get dressed, but this look, I need you to see the look before the look is on, you know, it's one of those. And again, you guys know I like to blend out underneath the brow first, and we're gonna blend down, but we're gonna blend into the eye with this, okay? We're not gonna blend down into the nose here. We're gonna just blend into the eye, you know? Come right into that crease, right there between the bridge of your nose and your eye. That's where you really want to make sure you're blending out that contour color. Okay guys, now that I pulled you in close, because you know I want you close to me, I'm gonna go ahead and start with this color. Sorry guys, they do not tell you what colors you're using, but I'm gonna go ahead and start in this color right here at the bottom. and we're gonna start working this color in. I'm literally excited to see what this is going. I am packing this, by the way, onto the eye. I'm not gonna blend it, maybe a little bit, but I really want this to show up. So we're just gonna pack it onto the eye. Can you guys see like how beautiful this color is and how easy it is? It's like cream almost. It's like the creamiest colors you will ever probably play with in your life. I'm gonna go ahead and take it to the other side. And again, I'm gonna start with the packing motion so you guys can see I'm literally packing this color on to the eye right here. It's so pretty. I'm just gonna blend out the ends because I just want it to be seamless. I don't want any harsh lines, but oh my God, guys. Again, if you haven't got this palette already, you're missing out. It is so worth it. The color payoff, it's literally like butter. And price point, yes, it is a little up there, but I will definitely say that you can find something within reason with Huda. It is so worth it. If you guys do choose to do it, I would say go for it. I'm gonna go ahead and move on and put on some of my eye primer onto my eye. I'm gonna start with my little brush. Actually, I'm just gonna apply it to my hand because I wanna have control of how much is going to be on there. So don't wanna ruin the work that I started. I'm gonna take just ever so slightly so much. I'm gonna apply this to the inner of my eye. We're gonna really, really take it there. You guys are so not ready for this moment. But you guys are ready, so we're gonna give it to you. I love this. I'm already like, I could just really stop right here with this lavender. I could really just stop and just be content. Like honestly, if you guys are not into like multiple colors, I would honestly suggest just getting one of these palettes and working with it. I like the dual of the lilac and the mint, so that's why I got both. But if you're not really into that look, I would definitely suggest just buying one to start with and then get the other. You don't have to be extra and get both at the same time. I did because I really wanted both at the same time because I wanted to create this look that I'm about to show you guys. I feel like it's so nice. It's just, it has to be seen, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and start with this mint. I'm gonna actually blend this in a little bit. I'm skipping. Let me relax a little bit. So I'm gonna blend this in just a little bit because I don't want the lines to be harsh. So we're just gonna, and it's just a little bit, as you guys can see, I'm not putting a whole lot. And it's just in the center because now I wanna take this look to a whole nother level by adding the mint into this look. So that's what we're doing. I'm gonna make sure I get this blended really well. And now I'm gonna go in with my mint. And with this one, I'm going to, let's use this brush. I'm gonna go in with this color. Let's see. Let's go with this one right here. We're gonna go at this top color right here. So it's a really true kind of a mint. I feel like I was gonna go for that one, but it's a little bit on that teal, that minty, not so green. It's more of like a, I don't know what to describe that color, but I just wanna go with this one, so we're gonna do that. You guys see how pretty it's coming along? It's a little out there, but it's totally worth it. You know, once you get it on, you can see like this is such a pretty color. And it's so crazy because you wouldn't think to, you know, combine these two colors, but once I saw it, I was like, yeah, I'm going for this. I saw it in my head, and so I was hoping, and I'm still hoping because I'm not done, that it's gonna turn out the way I'm envisioning it. So we're gonna see. This is such a beautiful color. We're gonna add a little shimmer, this one here, into the tear duct of my eyes. I'm just gonna take a little bit on this brush. Unfortunately, my Morphe brush doesn't have a name. I'm so sorry. But we're gonna go ahead and just add a little shimmer. You guys know I like to dampen my shimmers, so I'm just gonna spray it. And then I'm gonna add it into the tear duct of my eye. Oh, she's so pretty. This is amazing. Like, I know that I just put it on and it's like, how are you falling in love? But have you guys ever had a palette like the moment you put your brush into it, you knew it was gonna be amazing? That's how I honestly feel about this. If you've ever had that experience, it's like, you know by how the brush is contacting that palette and how it's smoothly gliding through it, you know it's gonna be a beautiful look. It's just, there's no way you're not gonna know that, right? It's just so prevalent. It's just, oh, I'm obsessed. I am genuinely obsessed with this look and I'm not even done. Okay, now that you guys can see what your girl is working with, I'm gonna go ahead and stop right here. I'm gonna start bronzing to finish out this face. I know I'm moving a little different today, so you guys bear with me. I told you guys, disclaimer, I don't always do my makeup in the same order every time, but I'm gonna go ahead and start bronzing out my face with Coco Naughty. You know I'm obsessed with it. I'm going to just start bronzing the perimeters of the same place I contoured. And you guys know I just want to do the perimeters of my face. And then we're gonna take it down into the jaw so she can be a little snatched. And we're gonna go in with some concealer, so we're not quite done, right? So I'm gonna go in with some concealer underneath the eyes. I'm gonna be using Mocha from Too Faced. And we're going to then go ahead and do a little cleanup, guys. That's what all we're gonna do right now, is do a little cleanup in the nose area. I wanna now kind of create my tree. You guys know about my tree on my face and how I like to grow it. I add a little water. Kidding. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and start cleaning up right about now into my brow area. I like to take the highlighted concealer and just start to kind of give me a little life in the forehead. I don't want it to be too dim, because I feel like naturally the light banks off of your like center of your forehead. It can get a little shiny there. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna take this look and give it some definition. All right, guys, so you can see I'm almost done. I do want to apologize for earlier. My video actually cut out because my memory card was full, but your girl is back and I waited for you. So we're gonna go back in with Lilac. I'm gonna take the color that we used and we're gonna go underneath the eye. So that's what we're gonna do right now. I really think this look came out so great. It's everything I envisioned. So we're just gonna smudge a little bit and then we're gonna add some falsies, some lip, and we're out of here. Okay, now that I'm pretty much almost done with the eyes, I'm gonna move on with some blush, guys. I am going to just give myself a little, it's a bit much, guys. I tell you, this loose powder, it is very, very loose, so you gotta be careful sometimes. It's not moving for me. Can you guys see that? It's not moving for me. I added too much a little bit here, but we're gonna just blend it out. Can't never get too nervous. I love using this color because it's so very natural on the skin. Even if you're adding too much, it's not going to get too crazy unless that's the look you were going for. But I'm just gonna blend this out into the perimeters of my face. That way I don't have too much going on in the center of my face. I'm just gonna keep blending it out. It's very light, I like it, but sometimes it can come off a little harsh, and that's not the goals, right? I'm gonna just keep blending out my contour. Actually, let me just go back and clean up. I got some cleaning up to do, guys. I feel like some stuff is just got a little crazy. I don't know what happened in that little break, but I feel like my bronzer got a little wide in the nose area. So I just wanna make it a little bit thinner on this side. Got a little crazy. I don't know when or how. So that's that. Okay, I'm a little happy. I don't like when my bronzer gets crazy on my nose, so I'm just fixing right now. That's what you guys are seeing me do. I'm just doing a little fixing. And it's literally this easy, guys. If you make the mistake of putting too much bronzer and you want to go back and correct it, it's literally this easy. Just put a little more of your concealer back onto your face and you guys can fix it. It's not a big deal. But I'm gonna go ahead and take a second to apply my lashes and I'll be back, guys. Go ahead and move on to my lips, and I'm gonna be lining them with Richie from Morphe. And then I'm gonna go ahead and take Juvia's Place. I'm gonna be using their lipstick today. I really love this color. I feel like this look needs gloss, so I'm gonna go ahead with my Morphe gloss. I'm gonna go ahead and take this gloss clearly and add it. Okay, so this is the finished look. You guys, tell me about like I did this. Like, your girl did this look. Like, I don't even care if nobody watched this video and nobody comments. Your girl did this look. And I have never done this look on myself, like, ever in my life. So I am truly, truly proud of myself. It's okay to pat myself on the back. Go ahead, if you guys create this look with me, go ahead and pat yourself on the back. Just recap over some things. Again, guys, Huda Beauty, if you don't have these two, go get it. Just stop playing yourselves and go get it. The mint and the lilac is what I used. It was really easy. It's super smooth to use. If you guys haven't had any of their products, I would suggest getting just a little one. I think they're like on sale. Some of them are like $17, some are like $28. I really think it's worth it. Another thing that I did not show you guys that I added to my face was my highlighter. I am totally obsessed. Sorry guys, I'm trying to open it with my long nails. But this one here I used, and this bad boy cost a whole lot, so I'm not even gonna act like it didn't. But I don't know the colors, like it doesn't tell you like the color names or anything like that. Sorry guys, it just doesn't. I don't know, maybe it had a slip, I lost it or something, but I don't know what color that I'm using. I just know it's this really, really bright one here that kind of gives you a pink shimmer. It's definitely not gonna be white when you put it on. It's really worth it if you guys also haven't got that. I will leave all the products that I used in this video, guys. I will leave it in the description below. And then I do want to go ahead and tell you guys what's on my lips. I used two of my favorite new lipsticks, which is, you know, Daringly Nude. I'm addicted. I told you guys I can't pronounce the name of this lipstick, but I will show you guys. I used this lipstick as well. I combined both of them together because I just like the way the color pays off. Like, one is more on the peachier side, one is more on the like beige side. So this kind of gives me like beige-ish kind of tint, and this one gives me more of a warm tint, and I kind of wanted that. And also I went ahead with my Morphe gloss as well, and I can't see the name. I think it says Groupie. So I have Groupie on my lips. That's the gloss that I'm using. And what else did I not show you guys? I felt like this video went so fast. I wasn't even expecting it to go so fast, but I think that's the only things that I did not show you guys that I'm using on my lips. Also my highlighter. And this look was really easy. I felt like with this little shirt, you know, it's been hot in San Diego, so I wanted to have something nice and soft colors. And when I saw the palette, it just made sense. Like, everything just kind of came together for me. So I hope it comes together for you guys. And if you guys are going to recreate this look, please send me pictures. I love to see when people are recreating these looks that I'm trying to, you know, dish out to you guys. I know one person did, and they actually sent me a picture. I was so happy. Like, it's crazy that, you know, we can all just kind of look at something and just recreate it in our own way. So I want to see how you guys are going to recreate this look. If you're going to do it, DM your girl on my Instagram at @TheRealRebekah Green. If you guys are on my Instagram, DM your girl. She wants to see it, okay? I want to see those looks. I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this video up with you guys though, and just enjoy this look. Like, I have nowhere to go, but I'm telling you what, I'm going to sit with this makeup on my face for about 2 to 3 hours before I think about washing it. This is so pretty. I don't even know why I'm gonna wash it off, right? All right, guys, I'm out of here. Bye. Until next time.